Okay, what's up, YouTube? It's Pacey AI one more time. I'm about to give you another one. This one is going to be really quick. I want to go over some of the generations on Kling. Right now, Kling recently released their pro service, and obviously, as you can see, you can actually pay for it right now. Now, they are doing a promotion right now where you are getting these things a lot cheaper. If you do the yearly plan, you're paying a lot less. And as time progresses, these offers are going to expire. So you definitely want to take advantage of these things. 20% off if you do half a year, 30% off if you do a full year. I think they were doing like a 50% off, if I'm not mistaken. I think now they're only doing 30%. So definitely you got to take advantage of these deals. I think that Kling, compared to the other services, is cheaper. You get more credits. You get way more credits than Luma. And I think the generations are better on Kling than Luma. So if you compare it to a lot of these other video generation services, whether it be Luma, whether it be Runway, Kling is charging less. And in my eyes, it's better, right? The functionality and everything is better. So definitely, guys, you want to check that out. But the pro service is available. Obviously, I've been generating my own videos using the professional service. So if you go to professional mode, you can generate 5-second, 10-second videos. You can change the aspect ratio, camera movement, so on and so forth. The professional mode videos are a lot more effective. As you can see with this video, this is actually an image to video. So I actually generated this image on Flux. So I use Flux to generate this image, and then essentially Kling just animated it. So all I did was I just said, man walk slowly through a desolate wasteland, looking around, examine the destruction around him. And that's what happened. It's pretty good. As you can see, generation is pretty consistent. No problems whatsoever. Using the professional mode. Now the professional mode is more expensive. It's 35 credits. If I use the standard modes, I'm only paying 10 credits. So that's something to keep in mind. But professional mode is a lot better. It's a lot more effective, and it gets the job done more effectively. Now, if you're just doing simple videos, I would recommend using the standard mode instead of the professional mode, because there's no need. If you're just doing a camera pan, doing a camera panning around a mountain, or a camera panning around the ocean, a drone footage, drone shot of a desert, drone shot of a farm or something like that, then I would say just go with standard mode, because that's simple video. If you want something more complex, then you have to go to professional mode. And yeah, so let's go back to, there's some other stuff. Let me just review the ones that I did. So this is obviously ocean life swim around beneath the ocean. So image to video again, had this image generated by Flux. And as you guys can see, this would be a great wallpaper or something like that. Really nice. Woman running away from monster. This was a little bit weird. She started running the other way. Her head was turned towards the camera, but her body was moving towards the monster. So that was weird. I think this one generated a little bit better, but this was 10 seconds long. I didn't want it to be this long. And it started doing some weird stuff at the end. That was, the monster caught up to her. So I guess that's why it kind of messed up the whole thing. But the first 5 minutes was okay. I did this text to video generation of kid playing basketball. Not really good. As I said, whenever you have people moving with other objects, trying to control other objects in space, there's always a problem. So with sports, there's always going to be a problem with the generation, morphing and things like that, because you're trying to get person to control another object in space. So whether it be basketball, soccer, football, whatever it is, it's going to be a problem doing that. Those generations are always going to be a problem. I think I showed this one before in a previous video, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe I didn't, but this is an image to video, and I wanted the kid to run and dribble the basketball, but that didn't happen, obviously. This is actually not too bad. This is an image to video using the professional mode. So this is a car, a Lamborghini driving down the highway. It's really cool. I did generate this cat as well. These videos were generated previously by the standard mode before I had professional access. So this is a cat right here. Nothing too crazy. That was actually just generic prompt. This one's not bad. This is a kid eating. I wanted him to eat a cheeseburger, but it seems like he's eating something else. This seems like a croissant or something like that. Not sure exactly. I want him to eat a cheeseburger, but I guess maybe because I put it in a coffee shop. So I guess the AI is interpreting, well, in a coffee shop, they don't really serve cheeseburger. They serve more like sweet stuff like croissants and stuff like that. So I think that's what he's eating right here. At least he's eating something and looks pretty consistent. So that's pretty cool as well. I want to go back though to some of like the other generations that people have done. So this is a cute cat walking among flowered backlit, as you guys can see. That's the cat right there. Pretty cool. Now, this is a huge mirror pyramid in the desert, and the mirror reflects the surrounding desert environment. That's really nice as well. It's reflecting, as you can see, mirror pyramid, and it's reflecting the desert, which is really nice. Now, this is a medieval sailboat sailing on the sea, foggy nights, bright moonlight, eerie atmosphere. Again, great B-roll type of video for me. If you want to use this for a documentary or something like that, this is pretty dope. And obviously you can clone, try it yourself. I think you should be able to download this video. Yes, you can. You can download it. So if you want, and that's the thing, you don't necessarily, let's say you are doing a documentary or something like that with these things, you don't necessarily need to generate. If somebody already has something generated that you can use, just reuse it. Just download what they got. It's really cool. Now, this one was really interesting. The kid didn't actually eat the dumplings. He was trying to eat it though. He did put it in his mouth, but wasn't able to actually eat the dumplings, struggling with it a little bit. But it's a pretty nice one though. It's really cool. Really nice. So yeah, just great consistent. And obviously, you can see image generation as well with Kling. So pretty cool as well. So there's a lot of stuff going on here with Kling. You guys definitely need to try this one out. Lion with eagle wings patrols its territory, wings fully spread, and soft shadows accentuate the texture of hair and feathers. So really nice again, really nice. Consistent lion walking, nothing too crazy here. You're not seeing weird motion, everything very consistent generation. Kling is doing it, man. Kling is definitely doing it. Big time shout out to Kling. I think right now they're the best video generator. Based on what I've seen tested so far, they're the best. It's between Kling and Vidu. It's very close. It's a very close race between Kling and Vidu right now. But I think maybe Kling has the edge a little bit. A panda plays guitar by the lake. Consistent, nice and consistent, simple, but it gets the job done. So this is pretty cool. I'm not sure if this is an image to video, but I've been trying image to videos with Luma for playing guitars and stuff like that, and it's been a mess. So I also want to say that. And obviously, Kling generates great images too. So it's not just Leonardo, it's not just Stable Diffusion, not just Flux. Kling can also generate great images too. So yeah, Kling, this is an artwork style, oil painting, really nice. Look at this. So dope stuff by Kling. So let me know what you guys think. Have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more videos, man. I put out more videos. Definitely, guys, you got to subscribe, share this video, but have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Peace.